Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Siti and Aisyah. I want to explain you guys about angles. So, what we will learn about angles? First, we will learn about meaning of angles. The second, relationship between angles. And the third, angles from within parallel lines. What is an angle? Angles are measures of turn and forms when two lines intersect at a point. The most common measure of the size of an angle is degree. There is parts of an angle. Look at this figure. This figure is an angle. Two lines intersect at a point in here and in here. It's called legs of an angle. And then intersect from two lines in here. It's called corner point. And then the blue color in here, it's called angle area. Next, relationships between angles. Relationships between angles have three relationships. The first, right angle. The second, straight angle. And the third, vertical angle. So, the first, right angle. Right angle have sum of the angles is 90 degrees. Look at this figure. So, the formula of right angle is A degree plus B degree equals 90 degrees. The second, straight angle. The straight angle is forms from the straight line in here, and the sum of the angles is 180 degrees. Look at this figure. So the formula of straight angle is A degree plus B degree equals 180 degrees. And then the last is vertical angle. Vertical angle have two straight lines in here that intersect each other in here, and both angles have a common corner point. So the vertical angle, the size of the angle A degree and B degree is the same. And then the size of angle C degree and D degree is also same. Next, angles formed within parallel lines. Look at this figure. This figure have three lines. This line and this line is called parallel lines. And this line, when line intersect two lines, it's called transversal. So, angles formed within parallel lines have 5 pairs of angles related to each other. So, the first, corresponding angles. The second, alternate interior angles. And the third, alternate exterior angles. The fourth, same side interior angles. And the fifth, same side exterior angles. So the first, corresponding angles. Look at this figure. Corresponding angles is angles 1 and angles 5 is corresponding angles. And angles 2 and angles 6 is corresponding angles. And then angles 3 and angle 7 is corresponding angles. And the last, angle 4 and angle 8 is corresponding angles. Next, angles formed within parallel lines. There is alternate interior angles. You can see this figure. Alternate interior angles, they are on the alternate, the transversal, and are in between in the interior of parallel lines. look at in this part. So alternate interior angles is like angle 3 and angle 5 is alternate interior angles, and then angle 4 and angle 6 are alternate interior angles. So the alternate interior angles in this area. Next, there is alternate exterior angles. Alternate exterior angles, they are on alternate side of the transversal and they are outside of the parallel lines. Look at this part and this part. So alternate exterior angles is like angle 1 and angle 7 are alternate exterior angles, and then angle 2 and angle 8 are alternate exterior angles. Next, angles from within parallel lines, there is same side interior angles. Same side interior angles are on same side of the transversal and are in the interior of the parallel lines. Same side interior angles, you can see this figure, and it's like angle 3 and angle 6 are same side interior angles, and then angles 4 and angle 5 are same side interior angles. So same side interior angles, you can see this area. And the next, same side exterior angles. Same side exterior angles are on the same side of the transversal and are in the outside of the parallel lines. In this part and in this part is same side exterior angles. It's like angle 1 and angle 8 are same side exterior angle, and then angle 2 and angle 7 are same side exterior angles. Next example from the topic about angle. Look at this figure and the question, determine the values of A and B. So the first, find A value. Before we find A value, where is A? A degree is on the straight line with 150 degree. So add up to 180 degrees. And then A degree plus 150 degrees equals 180 degrees because there is straight angle. And then A degree equals 180 degrees minus 150 degrees. So the value of A is A degree equals 180 degrees minus 150 degrees is 30 degrees. So we find B value. B value is on the alternate exterior angle. So B value is the same of the A degree, and then A degree equals B degree because alternate exterior angle. From the topic before, A degree and B degree are alternate exterior angle. So B degree value is 30 degrees. So that is guys about angle, and I hope you guys understood what I explained for you. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.